Libra, this is your channel messages for the 11th of June. Libra, your channel message is the 8 of Pentacles. Libra, that's you. That's you. Libra, you came out as your channel message. And we have Taurus. Now, Libra and Taurus both rules the planet of Venus. Venus rules love, soulmate connection, okay, romantic feelings. Venus, okay. Even though Libra is masculine, Taurus is feminine, and they say that men are from Mars, women are from Venus. Nevertheless, Taurus and Libra shares Venus, okay? Now, the 8 of Pentacles, I'm getting something about a business opportunity. I'm getting something about you're a contracted worker. I'm getting your work, you don't work. I'm getting your work under contracts, or you're self-employed, you work for yourself. I'm getting you don't work for your company. You don't have a 9 to 5 clock in, any type of that. I'm getting when you get a call, you do the job. But I'm getting you're the owner. So I'm getting is either something about a Libra who want you work for them, a Taurus who want you work for them, okay? Or I'm getting a lot of contracts coming in for you. A lot. I'm getting something about love. Apparently you do well when it comes down to the love scene, or maybe you do well when it comes down to careers involving love type. Maybe matchmaking, maybe a beautician, because you know people like to get beautiful, not just to sit down, but to go on a date with them love. So it could be like esthetician, people is in love with them skin. The justice card can also talk about like the political scene, can talk about the social justice system, all right? Maybe somebody like the way how you navigate what is right and what is wrong. So again, somebody might... I'm getting somebody want to hire you, but they want to make sure say you love what you're doing, okay? I'm getting something is official. Again, something can be government regulated, but I'm getting Taurus, you're the best person for the job, or Libra, you think the Taurus is the best person for the job, okay? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Because I'm getting you have the idea, but Libra, for some reason, you can't work. Or you're just not that hands-on. The Taurus is. Libra, you can write down your plans and Taurus execute it. That's Taurus. First card out is a 6 of Cups. Sorry, 6 of Swords. We also have the Queen of Swords. We have the 3 of Swords. Sorry, 6 of Cups, Queen of Cups. Queenie, stop it, Queenie. We have the 6 of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the 3 of Swords, the 10 of Wands, and we have the Ace of Swords. All right, so I'm getting everything is packed, ready to be shipped off by Post Canada. But there's this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio bitch who is either really envious because you got the job, or for some reason your name is being thrown in the bucket of recommendations and she don't like it. We're getting 6 of Swords. Did somebody leave? Somebody took a vacation? Or I don't know if they take a vacation even though they were told, you can't do it right now. We're getting somebody left. Right? We're getting 6 of Swords, Queen of Cups, 3 of Swords. Somebody left, them relocate, them pack their bag and leave. I'm not sure what a Libra did to this person. We're getting someone's heart broken. Did somebody tell you to pack up and leave? We have a 10 of Wands, Ace of Swords. I'm getting you have all this luggage, all this furniture, and you don't know where to go. Ace of Swords. I'm getting something about it. I'm literally getting you find out say your man a cheat and him throw you out. Or something about you left, and when you come back, the person who you live with, I say, you can't stay here, so you left. You don't just get to leave. I don't know what's happening. But I'm getting this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman, she's heartbroken. She's crying. She's relocating. She's wearing a COVID-19 mask because she don't want to show her face. 10 of Wands, Ace of Swords. I don't know what happened. I'm getting you overwhelmed with this burden, or maybe somebody can't do the job. Now, I don't know if this person is already working in the establishment, the Libra want your work. Because apparently, you is this girl's biggest fucking fear. You're her biggest demise, and you're also the biggest sore that is being seen in her eye when you're in her peripheral vision. No, me getting somebody stressed. It's like somebody used to work somewhere, and them here say you start working there, so all of a sudden them feel stressed. They need to dress better, do things better, be more active. Me getting somebody me getting them stressed the fuck out. Now, I don't know if a Libra brought you on a boat trip and make you go on water with them, me getting somebody put one spell on you. After you came back from this boat ride, me getting you stressed out, you emotional, you cry. Something went downhill after you went on this boat ride. Or I don't know where your sail go. Cause me getting a call in somebody and keep ask somebody, hey, me can stay here, me can stay here, me can sleep on your couch, me can stay here, and me getting a not get a good response. I don't know if you're in a foreign place where you can't get nowhere for stay, so you're just going to go back home to where you come from. But me getting something about a Libra siding with a Taurus. Me getting you freak the fuck out. You threaten to leave, you probably pack up your bag and leave, and you wait on the Libra for call you. They ain't gonna fucking call you, sweetie. The devil. The devil. Yeah, the devil is clarifying the Six of Swords. Me getting because of extreme jealousy, pressure, or your toxic man, you move out. I don't know if him put you out. I don't know if him tell you to leave. No, the Six of Swords here have two people on it. Usually the Six of Swords would have a kid. Are you pregnant and him kick you out? Him kick you out while you have a newborn baby? I'm getting him saying you need to relocate. Something about a Capricorn. Capricorn is telling you this, you need to relocate. I'm also getting something about entering into a country by boat. Something by boat. That would be the Coast Guard, right? If you enter the country by boat, then you would have a different stamp than when you enter the country by plane, by immigration. So I don't know if that's a big lie being told on you as to how you enter a certain type of country. Alright? But yeah, me getting him a stress you out, him toxic, him a cuss you. Or me getting somebody, I don't know if somebody try to spite you. Because me getting them a work with this Taurus, or them give the Taurus the job. Or did they give your daughter the Taurus name? Because I'm kind of feeling like you're a woman and you just have a baby. And the man was like, let's name the baby Vanessa Carby. And you're like, okay. Okay. You okay? Okay. You impregnate me. You're the man. Okay. Someone was like, okay. And you find out say, Vanessa Carby is another girl your man I work with. The Queen of Swords clarified by the Two of Pentacles. We have the Four of Pentacles. We have the Nine of Pentacles. And we have the Eight of Cups. Yeah, me getting her presence is stressing you the fuck out. Now, I don't know if it's your job as this Caucasian, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio lady to stress out the Nine of Pentacles, which could also be translated into Taurus. But we're getting, yeah. I'm also getting, because somebody don't drink alcohol, something cannot be executed. Maybe you wanted to stress somebody out, make them cry, or try to fight them while they're intoxicated. Alright? Me getting there's a new girl in your building, there's a new girl in your workplace, and me getting jealousy I eat you. It's eating you worse than worms eating your fucking grandparents' body when you lay them 6 feet under. And me getting try every... did you get breast implants? Is that how far you went to compete with the Nine of Pentacles? Me getting the everything, the every single thing. Cause me getting something start from, oh, okay, looking at somebody. Then, for example, this person I don't know why you look on or why your man do, but him keep I get you familiar with this person. Then, only in a close proximity. So now you feel like you have to compete. Then you're telling your man that if you bring this girl around, I will leave. Then you actually leave. Then your man don't call you back. The garbage took itself out. He didn't have to push you out. Maybe he did push you out. But me getting your maybe you refuse to believe. Maybe you refuse to believe say your man left you for a nigga. Me getting you can't believe this. Me getting you're the type of woman you can't believe say your man would have choose a black girl over you. Cause Libra white, Taurus black, the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio that white. Or this could be you're one of the bitches who is trying to make this. You're one of the bitches who work for government who's trying to make the Taurus life a living hell. And how you try to make her life a living hell, you're going to try to withhold money. Sweetie, I'm broke. I'm not ugly. I don't have money. I weigh 104 pounds. Sweetie, my skin tone is caramel. You think because somebody broke, they're going to look broke? Because me getting you saying, ha, I have this a hole over your head and you can't get it. Yeah, Three of Swords, Four of Pentacles, you can't touch it. Also, you're not getting help from nobody else either. So now you're the 9 of Pentacles, stressed the fuck out, and you don't have money, yes, but you have a tight pussy and you have a 10 out of 10 looks. And that is something, sweetie, money can't buy. Just ask the people who fly to foreign countries to do surgery. You gonna make this girl life a fucking hell because she's now employed in the same building as you. So I don't know what you plan for though. I don't know what the fuck you could do that's scary. Okay, you're gonna hold back our money. Okay, she's still pretty. You know that, right? She broke, she's not ugly. Perhaps I never thought that fucking far. Ah! We have Libra. Hi Libra, this is your reading. Yes Libra, I don't know what you do. But when you getting your start shit, you put 2 people against each other. And I don't know if you feel like one of the girls are going to be more bitchy because she light skin. I don't know if you put 2 black girls and 1 light skin, 1 dark skin. And you know how black girls be colorists, right? So maybe you're making 2 of them fight. Or you put a white girl against a black girl and you make 2 of them fight. All we know that the justice system is here. And they want to watch every bit of it. Doctor, something about a doctor. Is this something about medical school, getting into medical school? 2 medical students, 1 white, 1 black. We're getting the white girl to freak the fuck out. What? You should, I told you don't bring her here. And they were like, I did. We have secret society. We have Mercury. And we also have Taurus. That was your channel message. Your channel message was Taurus. And Libra, you came out too. Yeah, I'm getting something about a Libra and a Taurus. I'm getting this bitch mad. She mad. She fucking mad. 1 more. And we have political agenda. Yeah, so maybe something was supposed to be Libra, Cancer, Taurus, Libra, Scorpio, Taurus, Libra, Pisces, Taurus. It's just going to be Libra and Taurus. And it probably is that way because Libra and Taurus both share Venus. Cancer don't share Venus. Scorpio don't share Venus. Pisces don't share Venus. That's like you spend 10 years of your life with somebody, then meet somebody, and then find out, oh, in astrology, or I'm more compatible with them, and them left you. The memories went down the drain. The love, the time I spent, all of that went down the fucking drain because 2 people were compatible. I'm getting the man is for it. Drama. I'm going to leave it here, Libra, because there's a lot of jealousy and anxiety that I would not want to be a part of if I was this woman. So I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.